built a 6 million euros plus business with 45 plus YouTube channels without showing my face. But if I lost it all today, here's the exact roadmap I'd use to go from 0 euros to 10,000 euro a mo in 90 days so you can just copy me. 1. Before we get started, why should you listen to me? I started making YouTube videos when I was just 6 years old, filming RuneScape tutorials in my parents' attic. By 14, was making 600 euro a month, which felt bigger than making 6 figures today. Then Pokemon Go hit in 2016 and my views exploded from 15k to 100k per video. 2. But everything changed when my channels got terminated at 18. That's when I switched to proper licensing and built my first cash cow channels. Fast forward to today. I've generated 6 million euros plus running 45 channels with a team of 35 across Bali and Hanoi. With the money I made, I was able to fulfill a long-time dream, buying my Audi R8. 3. So what exactly is YouTube automation? First, forget everything you know about being a YouTuber. This is different. Instead of filming yourself, you're creating content that works for you. Some of the biggest channels making millions have never shown their creator's face. Like those story channels or top 10 videos you can't stop watching. The best part is that once a video is up, it can make money for years. That's true passive income. But how do you make money off of videos? When someone watches your video, YouTube shows ads. You get 55% of ad revenue. YouTube keeps 45%. Your goal is to target US-UK audience since YouTube pays more for views from the first world audience due to their more purchasing power. Around $1 to $20 per 1K views. 5. Before you start, you need to understand the 3 metrics YouTube cares about. CTR. Target 5% plus minimum. Avdeling. Target 8 plus minutes. AVP. Target 40% plus. 6. Now, here's the exact month-by-month roadmap from $0 to $10,000. 7. Week 1 research. Find top-performing niches. Install NextLev. Study channels to 6 months old. Find topics with low competition. Analyze what top channels do. A mistake beginners make is they just pick high RPM niches. Pick ones with consistent search volume. Time needed 1 hour day. 8. Week 2 to 3. Make your first video. First, you find an interesting story or topic. Then you write a script. The key is making it engaging, like you're telling a story to a friend. 9. Next comes the voice. You can either record it yourself or hire someone for about $15 to $30. Use Fiverr or AI like 11 Labs. You can't do everything alone. In the start you will, but you also need to hire your first team sooner or later. 10. This is how you build your YouTube team. 1. Script writer. Must understand your niche. Test with 500-word sample first. 2. Voice actor. Clear, professional voice. Native English speaker for US market. Can also use AI tools like 11 Labs. 11. 3. Editor. Experience with similar content. Can match viral editing styles. 4. Thumbnail designer. Understanding of clickbait. Clean, bright designs. Total team cost per video, $85 to $150. 12. Week 4, first video creation. Use this exact formula. Hook. First 30 seconds are everything. You need to grab attention fast and make a promise of what viewers will learn. Tease best content. Get straight to value. No music intros, please. 13. 2. Content structure. Make videos on one clear topic. No double intros. Show best clips first. Build curiosity gaps. I could go on, but let's leave that for another thread. 3. Video length. Length matters too. My sweet spot is 15 to 20 minutes. 'Cause YouTube places ads every few minutes. Longer videos equals more ads equals more income. My top performing videos were all longer than 20 minutes. 14. Month 2 launch phase. Follow this upload schedule. Week 1, 3 videos. Weeks 2 to 4, 2 videos week. Total 9 videos. 15 budget needed. 9 videos, $85 equals $765. Tools equals $26. Total equals $791. This is where most people quit, don't. 16 month 3 optimization. This is the most crucial month you can say. Study analytics daily. Look for drop-off points. Test different thumbnails. Improve titles. Find what works. Also take care of these metrics. First 24-hour views. Viewer retention graphs. Traffic sources. 17 month 4 monetization. Requirements. 1,000 subs.
17/month 4 monetization. Requirements: 1,000 subs, 4,000 watch hours. 18/ focus on watch hours first. One viral 30 minutes video can get you there. Target: 40 to 50% retention on long videos. First earnings of $500 to $2,000 usually hit by month 3 to 4. Since I've done this 100s of times for myself and my students before, so I can easily get a channel to $10K/MO++ by month 3. But for beginners, this might take some more time. 19/months 5 to 6 scaling. This is where $10K becomes possible. You need 30 to 40 videos published, 500K 1DM views/month with $15 to $20 RPM, and 2 to 3 viral hits. Even one viral video can change the entire trajectory of your channel. 20/ my most successful video title was Top 25 Minecraft Animations. This video got 2.9 views, $15,000 revenue, and 47% retention rate. All you need is one viral video to blow up your channel. Earnings: 21/ total investment needed, $2,000 to $3,000. Remember that this is a business investment that can return 5-10x monthly once it works. Now comes the scaling strategy. 22/ once you hit $5K/month. 1. Reinvest 60% into better editing, custom thumbnails, and research tools. To use 30% of your new channels. 3. Keep 10% profit. Repeat until you hit $10K/MO. 23/ now, let me debunk some common myths about YouTube automation. Myth 1, it's saturated. People said this in 2020, 2021, 2022. Yet one of my students made $35K in a week from a 4-month-old channel. 24/ myth 2, you need huge production teams. I've seen $1,500 videos get to K views while $85 videos get millions. It's about matching content to audience psychology. 25/ myth 3, it takes years to succeed. Another student Cone went from a $2K/month job to $30-40K/month in under a year. You can't take inspiration from some of our student results. 26/ Cone. WASMAKING $2K/month at his job. Then go WLIVDS in Bali making $30-40K/month. They CHIEEDDHIS in under 12 months. 27/ Joey. STARTEDIN debt from gambling addiction. JFTERLEARNING from my program, now makes $50K/month. They CHIEEDDHIS in 14 months. 28/ Millau and Brian. STARTEDWIDH wrong strategies from another coach. Hit $3K/month in 4 months with my system. SCALEDTO $6K/month after one strategy call. BOTHQUIT their 9 to 5 jobs in 5 months. That's all. If you enjoyed this thread, I'd appreciate it if you share me FI.